Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn UI design for online banking online banking app. So these are I have created two pages. First is dashboard and another is new transaction page. Uh, let's check. Let's see how it works. So this is list view. And click on date label, date picker will open. And click on new transaction button. This new transaction page will open. This is list of card, list of user or list of pay, you can say, to whom you have to pay. Enter the amount, make payment. This is the recent transaction list view. First, let's start with desktop dashboard. Main control is grid, a grid having date picker. Uh, this date picker is visible first because I don't want to show the date picker. I want to only show the label. So when you click on the label, the date picker pop-up will open or dialog will open. Otherwise, it will not show the picker. So keep is visible as false. Then I have added frame. Frame has corner radius 20 and I have set margin minus 20 because as you can see uh, only bottom corner radius is round and upper part is in square. So I have done the upper part is move margin to minus 21, so it goes upper. After that I have added label in frame. Then in the same row I have added the image and in second column I have added label for username, available balance and balance it will show. This is label for date and button for new transaction having corner radius 20. On this click, a new transaction page will open. Then after that list view is added which having template frame view. Uh, let's see frame view template. Frame view template having frame and it having image and three label which will bind date, name, description and amount. Here is the class having image, name, description and amount. So this is the image, this is name, description and amount. So let's see now new transaction page. Okay, first I will like to explain through image so it will be easy for you to understand. This is collection view. It will scroll in horizontal and after that this is another collection view for payee or user. It will also scroll in horizontal. This is uh, entry control which is custom renderer and this is button and after that list view. So in grid I have added collection view. I have uh, and selection mode is equal to single, because user want to user should select only uh, user have I want to give user to permit to select only single record, so I have set single selection mode is equal to single. It also have option for multiple. If you want to set user should select multiple, then you can choose an option for multiple. So and having data template card view, we will see this template later. After that, it is labeled for transfer to and button for new page. New page I will create in next video. So after that, another collection view, it is for user, and it is having template card circle image. After custom entry. Custom entry I have explained in previous video. I will share that video in description link. Please watch that video. You can understand what is custom entry. And this is a make payment button. After that, list view. This list view will show the recent transaction. So let's see template for both collection view. First we will see card view. A card view having frame. This is frame. I have added property for background color and this amount, card number, and what is the name of card. This is class, number, name, balance, and background color. So the frame having corner radius 20 and background color and border color is binded to the class property. After that I have added label uh, for static text available balance, then balance for number and name. Another template is card circle image. This I want image to show in circle, so corner radius is 100, with height and width is equal to 70, and having text below the image, as you can see in this image, this screenshot. After that, uh, this is a text box. Please uh, watch the link I have in the description link. It I have explained how to add this control, so you can understand it better. Okay, that's all. I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel, like, share the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.